Hello guys, today we are building this beautiful movie application. This is not your usual Netflix clone and movie clones. This is a custom designed movie application which I designed from scratch in Figma. We are going to build it as a full stack application. So we are using MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js. So it's going to have this interface and it's going to have all of these features. Okay, that's, you can see the search feature. We have this logo. There's a TV series, profile, movie channel. Yes, when you click on any of these, then you have this page which is showing the details of the movie. Okay, so you can click here to watch the movie too. When you scroll down, then you have the cast. Then you also have similar TV series or movie depending on what you search for. Okay, it's going to be fully authenticated. So you have the sign up, and then we also have sign in and some other pages. Let's start working on the project.